Hi, Jim Mathers, President of Energy Professionals, and this is your energy news today. Coming from oilprice.com, the number one source for oil and energy news. Very interesting. Listen, whether you believe in global warming or not, or whether you believe it's a problem or not, the truth is solar and wind power are now cheaper than coal in most of the world. Last year, the world's premier authority on global warming said the world is running out of time. Well, that may or may not be true, but I can tell you this. Renewable energies like solar and wind power have long been subsidized by governments around the world so that we can create a positive impact on global warming. But the reason they were subsidized is they just couldn't compete with natural gas, coal, and oil when it comes to the bottom line of a company. Well, the good news is now, because the cost of solar and wind have gone down so much, that you can still be profitable, you can still cut your energy cost, and you can still take responsibility for the planet, for your neighborhood, for the atmosphere, for greener energy being used every day. So you can still save a lot of money and keep it green. Have a great day. Give us a call because we can help you implement a green strategy for your company.